Hey guys, Adam here, hope you are really well. Today I wanted to bring you another video where I look at techniques from across the world of TV and film and try and translate them and apply them into wedding filmmaking. Something that I find really inspiring, taking concepts straight out of Hollywood and seeing how they can work for us as wedding filmmakers. So recently I've been absolutely hooked on this brilliant series called This Is Us. It's on Amazon Prime and I think it's NBC in the States. Editing and the storytelling is incredible, it's dead emotional, but something that I've noticed that they do really well, something that really stood out to me, is how they make use of these really abrupt, hard cuts. So at the end of a scene or a part of an episode, part of a story, they'll just do a simple hard cut to black as a transition. But they make these cuts when you least expect it. They might be halfway through some movement or a piece of dialogue, or they might be halfway through a piece of music, and then all of a sudden it'll cut to silence and cut to black. And it's really abrupt, and it makes you it jolts you sometimes. It makes you go, oh, what happened there? And it makes you kind of concentrate and focus on what you've just seen. And the thing is, if it wasn't done well, it could be quite jarring, but the way they do it is really effective and it helps with the storytelling. And it's the simplest, easiest transition in the world. It's just a simple hard cut to black. There's nothing fancy going on. It's just good filmmaking, and the fact that it works so well is a sign of really good editing. So it got me thinking of ways that I can use this technique in my wedding films. So for example, when you've got the confetti shot and the bride and groom are walking through, everyone's throwing confetti and cheering, and you can hear all the cheers and the laughter, and then cut straight to black, silence. Or maybe you've got some couple portrait shots, some really nice slow-mo dreamy shots of the bride and groom at sunset, and then all of a sudden cut to black. Maybe it's partway through a first dance and the bride's being spun around by the groom, and when she gets halfway through that motion of spinning round, you can then cut. Or maybe it's the dancing later in the night time and everyone's doing some crazy dance moves, and then just to end the film, cut to black. So hopefully from those examples you can see there just how effective a simple hard cut can actually be to end your film, or simply to transition between two scenes or two locations. Why not give it a try on your next edit? So I hope that was helpful. I'd love to make more of these technique study, film study type videos, so if that's something that you'd like to see, then comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.